Hello everyone. Today we are having a beautiful pork roast with zucchini, acorn squash, butternut squash, seasoned with scallion onions. Also, we are having that will serve as dessert and a bread, blueberry cornbread. What is important is that we incorporate eggs that we have in the cornbread. The eggs help with our skin and our hair. The blueberries help with our overall health. The vegetables help with our overall health. Gives us vitamin C, gives us vitamin D, gives us vitamin Bs, gives us complete nutrition along with the protein from the meat. Gives us complete nutrition for a daily meal. I hope that you like it. Experiment on your own. Use fish if you like. Use salmon. Use chicken. Use mackerel. Mackerel is very, very nutritious and economical. My mother used all of those meats and all of these vegetables. As a young girl, I was very healthy. Now, on with the cooking. God bless.